What's going on, y'all? Reed here with Seven Cities Fishing. We're here at Virginia Beach, Sandbridge Pier. We're going for really anything that bites. I'll get back to y'all when we're there. There, take your camera, film me. I had to grab your other phone, man, and went off.
Is this thing on?
Oh, double.
Two blue. Oh. There. There.
No, that's the biggest one I think we've gotten.
There. Come around. Yeah, let me.
He's the biggest one thus far, no doubt.
I got 17 on that. Say what?
Yeah.
I do not. Well, I got a leader.
Y'all just want to drop the drop net?
As good as I can get it.
Drop net? Walk back more?
Alright.
Walk back, walk back.
I ain't even barely fucking touched that shit.
Another shark. Got a shark? Damn, brother. There you go.
Here, hold it.
He's gonna snap. Hey, we got another shark on. Fuck yeah! You want a picture with him?
Bite your ass. That's a big shot. Yeah, just let him down. Let him do his thing.
Watch out for my. I'll go fishing with Bill Dance today. What are you shaking your head at, Kyle?
Huh?
Look at that.
I'll go get big fish and runs. I mean, it's cool.
Oh, no doubt. I almost got.
Cast it out there and almost went to the end of the line.
Yeah. Decent size.
Forgot to put it through the eye.
Huh?
Forgot to put it through the eye.
That's not good. Can you still cast it?
Yeah.
Whatever that was, it got off. whatever it is, has got. Why is it you? Dude, oh, you're fucked. You ain't got that much line. Yeah, you are. Over top of you. Oh, it's spooled fast. Probably a little shark. I'm moving. Go, 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 go. Fight him over. Go under. Ugly stick putting in work. Is it thrashing? Hey, he's back over here. Come over here, behind me. It makes me want to cast out now. We're gonna need the pier net, or are we just cutting them, or what? Pound test you guys, but that should be alright. 50 pound leader, good. Lower line. Leader. I'm not too sure yet. It ran a little fast, though. Got to block the wind for this camera.
Yeah.
Ray.
Right.
No, that's a ray. Come here.
They'll probably break.
20. Bring him over here and I'll get him up. Walk back, man.
Well,
Break.
Oh, I saw a big flash. I saw a big flash. Damn straight, man. You got a line. Whose line is that? How does he get it? Dude, how does he get his fucking line all the way down? Alright. Yeah. I'm reeling into you. You get him? What do you think it is? Huh? Sweet. It'd be nice if it was a cobia. What'd that bluefish hit on, man? Can you hit it on that? Throw him up there too. They're great for shark bait. Watch out, Kyle.
Might want to stick your finger in his mouth.
me to hand on it for you? Or are you just gonna like... Set them up? Man, this thing's a beast.